Happy birthday. Yan. Go, sayaw. Annyeong. We meet again, Shorty.
Hindi lang ako nagsabi kasi nagmamadali.
Hi! Cute!
Ganyan pala siya.
Parang photo booth. Hello!
Yung dapat doon ka na.
Hindi namin alam kung ano yung point nito.
Yung lighting ba niya? Tama lang.
Actually, madilim din siya. Pero wala lang. Cute. An experience.
Konnichiwa.
Maganda daw siya. So, madilim. Annyeong. Parang I feel so out of place. But anyway. Sa kanyang nasi goreng. Her nasi goreng.
Hide chips ako guys.
Hi! Yun lang.
Hi.
Saan to? Saan to galing? Ano pangalan?
Hi vlog!
Hi.
Hi vlog! Press the like button below.
Hi!
Subscribe button. Notify.
Welcome to Nika's B&B.
Yay!
Notify as well.
Kayo yung first people na makakalaro dun sa bagong mahjong.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
Ang fake tuloy ng vlog ko! Huwag ka ganyan! Yung point ng vlog ko dapat authentic ka. Ano ba yan?
Authentic na
Oh, go. Go iPad kid. Hello! Tapos, ano gusto mo sabihin? Nalala.
Dapat pala mag-tiktok tayo yung
This is
Oh no! May gusto mo kayong ano?
This is us before.
Before?
Before the.
Oh my God! Parang may nahamon tayo. Go, buksan niyo na.
Authentic
Ay,
ba Nika
naka-video
or
na.
for vlog?
Na-videoan ko yun na Angelo. Dapat authentic. Ano ba?
Ito naman, very
Ito.
Wala ka. Nakakainis.
Okay, open yun na.
Buksan niyo na. First mahjong game of the new mahjong set. The big girl mahjong set. Actually, hindi pa siya big girl. Congrats! First win!
First win is Chai.
Chai. yun yung tip guys. Kailangan nyo siyang itawag na Chai.
Audit mo nga.
First win in the big girl mahjong set. Cleaning up the mahjong set after first game ng werewolf. Congrats.
Kailangan kabisado mo yung mga rules eh.
Power natin.
Sa expedition.
Expedition.
Dapat wala kang spy na maisama.
This is
Para
us
manalo
after.
yung mission.
Naalala niyo yung kanina natin. This is us after.
After end games of one night.
3:30 na po. Gusto ko na po patulog. I was gonna say good morning. It's already the afternoon. So hello. I realized that I don't have a proper ending to the time off video, which is so short. I think when I saw all of the clips, all of it was like less than 5 seconds, and I didn't even film anything from coming home. So okay, there's that. And yeah, I think that video deserves a proper ending, because why is this car in front of me? You are counterflowing, sir. Anyway, so already tangents galore. Also, this hat looks so weird on my head. Is it because the hat shape is weird? Is it because my head is shaped weird? Let me know. So what was I saying? Yeah, the time off video. So it was just, most of it is just food and some clips of me out with my parents, and some clips, of course, with me and Ate Angela and Tita. And then, because I finally bought a mahjong set, a big girl mahjong set, it's still actually not a big girl mahjong set, because it's technically still smaller than the regular sized version, but it's a lot bigger than the one that I've been using a lot. Anyway, so I had a few office mates come over and play with that set for the first time. So there are some clips of that. And gosh, we ended, well, most of it was, we played One Night Werewolf. So that was most of it. We played mahjong for probably just like a couple of hours. But we ended up, kasi syempre nagdadaldalan pa sila, di ba? Kung ano-ano pang pinagdadaldalan. We ended up sleeping at around 6 a.m. And syempre, I felt my age, because I did not recover as fast as I usually when those things happen. So I felt like my entire yesterday was a waste. But no, actually, I did a lot of other productive things. I just wasn't able to go to the other social thing that I was supposed to go to, so I'm sorry. But regardless, I'm here. So yeah, not much. I just yapped again, but yeah, this is the end to that vlog. I'm on my way to pick up Ate Angela, so that's probably gonna be the start to the new vlog, because I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. I've eaten brunch and I've had coffee, but I don't think that's enough yet to be a fully functioning person. And wow, anyway. Okay, stop yapping, girl. Bye.